This video is going to show you how to connect Redshift to Sigma. Log on to Sigma. As Sigma admin, you can create a database connection via the Settings menu. Click the gear icon on the bottom left, click Settings, then click Connections. Click Add Connection, then select Redshift. If you know the required information, you can fill it out, then click Add, and you'll be all done. If you don't know the required information, I'll show you where you can find it on your AWS Redshift console. Log on to the AWS Management Console, search for Redshift, and then select it. You'll be taken to the Redshift dashboard. From here, click Clusters. Next, click on the cluster you want to connect to Sigma. You'll finally be taken to the relevant cluster page with the information needed to connect to Sigma. Now let's go back to where we left off on Sigma. Let's enter a name for a data connection. Now let's enter the host. So the host can be found right here after endpoint. We're going to want to copy the text starting with cluster all the way to .com. We'll want to make sure we have the correct port. Right? So the port can be found right there, 5439, also right here. Right? And next we're going to want to enter the database name. So we'll go back to our Redshift console. And the database name you may want to use could be right here. So that's prod. Next, enter your Redshift username and password. Then click Add, and you're all set. To test your data connection, go back to the Welcome page. Click the plus icon to start a new worksheet. Click Table. If you see the data connection name you just created in the connection list, that means you've successfully created the connection.